today's video, we are going to play pretend, but actually, I won't be included because we have a very special guest. Actually, Renee has a very special guest. Come on down! Ta-da! So introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Franzyn.
Okay, say hello to everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, so today you are going to play pretend. You are going to unbox this toy. It's actually a kitchen set. And we are also going to give you feedback if it's okay or not. So, go ahead, open the toy at the Francine and Renee. Okay, Renee wants to cook already. What are you cooking, Renee? Broccoli? Okay, we have this salt. Okay, you're cooking already. So how is everything there in the kitchen? Wow, thank you. Can I order coffee, please? Wow, good job. Thank you.
Mommy!
Yes, hi. Can you give me food, please? Renee, where's mommy's food? Where's mommy's food? Oh, thank you. Renee, cook for Ate Francine, ha?
Oh, ikiluto Ate Francine ha, ikiluto. Very good.
Okay, give food. Give food to Ate Francine. Give food. Where's the food of Ate Francine? Renee, give food there. Go.
Oh,
Okay, okay.
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 Init pa nimo.
Okay. Good job. Okay. Okay. Nay gasol, day? Wa nay gasol? Okay, you're also baking. Okay. Okay, you're done? Okay, you give your food. Give the food to Ate Francine. Look. Ate Francine is hungry. Renee, go, go. Go, Renee, give the food to Ate Francine. Give the food to Ate. Oh no. It's dirty. Okay. Wala nang hipos na sa Ate Francine dito. Nabusog na sa ginawa, Renee. Huwag hangin. Renee. Okay, mommy will be the one to give food to Ate Francine, ha? Oh, Ate Francine, here's your food. Okay. What will you say? Good job. Okay, guys. So, right now, they have their own worlds. But it's okay, I guess. Putting a lot of salt. Oh my goodness, Renee. That's very salty already.
Okay, you're gonna bake the macarons na?
Okay.
Okay.
After frying, she's not yet done frying. Okay, thank you. What are you doing? please. I'm just gonna let Renee continue cooking because she is really in the zone. So right now, I'm gonna talk with Ate Francyn. Okay, hi Ate Francyn. Hello, say hello to everyone. Hello. So, what are you eating? What is this? Bread. How about this one? Hot dog. Do you like hot dog? Yes. How about this? What is this? Salad. Okay. You have to eat your vegetables, okay? When your mamala says eat vegetables, you have to eat vegetables. You like vegetables? Really? And fruits. What is your favorite fruit? Cherry. Okay. What is your favorite vegetable? What is your favorite? Do you like ampalaya? No. How about kangkong? No. What? Kalabasa. You like kalabasa? Sayote. Broccoli. Okay, we have broccoli. Where is the broccoli? Give mommy the broccoli, Renee, please. Okay, Renee is pretending to eat the broccoli. And yeah, she gave me the broccoli. Last question. What is your favorite color? Purple. And pink, just like your dress. Yes, it's like a princess. This is the costume of princess Rapunzel. Wow. Okay, do you like Rapunzel? Yes. Okay, thanks. Yeah. So did you have fun today? Okay, very good. Okay, so guys, feedback on the toy. Actually, it's very good for its price. I believe it's less than 500. I'm just gonna place the link at the description box if you are interested about this kitchen set. Alright. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next one. Bye! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye!
Bye-bye.